right here, guys. We're here to see how tough is the Duramax diesel. See? Duramax diesel. And we're gonna hook F250. We're gonna hook the trailer on F250, and we're gonna make some 20 miles, some hills, see how it's going. Finally. So we dropped the truck. We did about, let's say, 40 miles. With this one we did some hills. And now we were surprised. This thing is actually counted 6,000 pounds. No, 9,000 pounds gross weight. But that one has 11.5. On uphill, we were surprised how the truck, GMC truck, pulled. If you need a bobcat, let's say once in a month, or to go, only mine it's off-road, and because if it's off-road, it's softer, so you cannot go above 55 miles an hour. But if you put the airbags and weight distribution bars, you can keep the speed limit with no problem with this engine, with this weight. If you need to carry a bobcat, you are good to go. That thing has 9,000 pounds. Because that one is 250, this truck is 250. Only because this was a test truck, show truck. So you see, this thing is 350. Under the axles, under the skin, it's 350. But you see, but the outside it says 250. So Ford trick, when they try to show off the Ford. Mine it says half ton, but it pulls way much more. And only squat 2.5. So for off-road, not bad. Guys, we're at the scale. We'll see how much weights total weigh. Each axle is exactly in the middle. So we'll see how much Duramax weighs with F250 in the back, like that. I want to go out on the hills to test the baby Duramax. So only squat 2.5 inches. That's off-road package, it's not bad.